Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in.
The first morning we awoke to rain and stiff northeast winds, which pretty much put a damper on our chances to fish that day. Fortunately, Amber received word a couple days prior from Jeff Jones of Jeff's Fish Taxidermy that her giant walleye she caught this past February up at Little Bay Denock was ready for pickup. So we made the most of our blow day and headed to North Royalton, Ohio to pick it up. As you can see, Jeff does outstanding work. We were very, very pleased with the mount and would highly recommend him to anyone looking to get their fish mounted. We will provide a link in the description below to Jeff's website. On Sunday morning, with much better weather conditions, we decided to launch out of Edgewater in Cleveland. We were looking to see if we could find some bigger fish in areas we have been successful in the past, as we have the LEWT Pro-AM tournament coming up in a couple of weeks. Got him.
Oh, for sure, that was a good fish.
First for the fish of the day. Not what we're looking for, but we're gonna put this one in the live well.
Oh, that other one down there looks pretty good too. Well, he just disappeared. Oh, no, he's back here somewhere. He looked big.
Yeah.
But he's not.
He is not that big, no. But he was hungry.
Not no freaking 8-pounder.
Another nice eater size.
Oh boy. It's a big something. I don't feel like a catfish.
It's a walleye.
Oh.
That was nice.
Yeah, but he felt big.
Another 5-pounder. I'm gonna throw
5-pounders don't cut it.
We're gonna throw this one back. After a few hours of battling the midges and catching smaller fish, we decided to make a run west. The 2D showed the best marks we had seen all day, so we stopped in about 20 foot of water, and Amber went to work on the bow.
This is a big mark. I don't know. It looked big in there.
Oh, yeah. probably used him a couple hours ago.
What?
Could have used him a couple hours ago. He's not that big, I guess.
Fat.
He might be.
Right, he's close. Just for fun?
Yeah. £7.
Not big enough.
Biggest one of the day, 7-pounder.
What?
Amber caught. I think she changed up to a 1/4-inch jig. We're in shallower water.
That was on my 1/4-ounce jig.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Oh. Could have used that one earlier.
Yuck.
What is that?
I don't know. All kinds of goodness.
You gonna weigh him for fun?
Sure.
It's so weird. Some of them want the freaking plastic, and some of them won't even look at that. Like that fish wouldn't even look at
This
the
probably is our biggest of the day.
plastic.
Let's see what it weighs. Oh.
Ooh, I might have to weigh that one. Might be in second for the derby. Yeah, that's gonna be close.
Okay.
Yeah, throw one of my other ones back.
That one is almost 9 pounds. Might have to weigh that one for the derby. On Memorial Day morning, we launched out of hot waters in Lorain, which is now pretty nice, I might add. Winds were supposed to be non-existent, but as we made our way east, there was definitely a stiff breeze and plenty of walleye chop. It never fails on Lake Erie. We stopped just west of Avon Point on a pot of fish, and before we could get the cameras on, Amber boated a 30-incher on her second cast. Going to that side?
Feeling line. Feels like a sheep head, maybe.
Feisty. Not even.
Oh, that mark looked way bigger than that. Yeah, I can't bend over, I'll be out of the boat.
Fish number 2 in the morning.
Man, if I could have caught half the big fish I seen. You don't want this.
Sure they don't. You put it right in his freaking face twice.
Came in my other pool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, the Lab Series do it. Oh, yep.
It's a big something. And he's gonna want to go over here. As long as he stays on. I didn't get a very good hook set because
I hope he's on the stinger too.
I need to turn the freaking.
It's a nice one.
Felt bigger than that. It's so weird. Some of them freaking want the plastic and some of them want the curler.
There you go. There's a good picture right there. The Lab Series. Open your mouth up, dude.
I hate you, waves. Go away.
I don't know where the line's at.
Through the net, under the net. Oh, there's a freaking
Another good
big fricker right
6-7
underneath
pounder.
us.
Caught that one on the Berkley Lab Series baits. Just tried it with the trawler and didn't want it. Put that Lab Series in his face. Smoked it. He's got that one. I don't know how this is gonna work.
Well, he's right here.
Come on, dude. Man, he's scrappy.
On the stinger.
4 or 5 pounder.
Not big enough.
Another one on the Lab Series.
Except for that. That one looks bigger. Tail looks bigger. Oh, I see now its tail. That's a bigger one. Looks like, anyways. Can't tell, I guess. That one looks long to me.
I can't. It's another one of those that are right between
See how long it is.
7 and 8 somewhere. $29 and a half.
Damn, it looked longer than that.
This is the second close to 30 incher we've caught today, or she's caught, I should say. Couple more weeks, hopefully they put on a few more pounds.
Oh, he just smoked it on the way down. This looks like a pretty good one. Hear the drag? You gotta guess. Yeah. Oh no, I hope not.
I think it's 20 incher.
Shut up. It's not gonna be a 20 incher. It's gonna be at least 26. There's a big fricker on the screen. Holy crap, stop. You need to come in the boat.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one. $28, maybe? 27, 28? Is he still on the phone? What did you do?
Yeah, he's on the, it's under
the floor, on the floor.
That's
This one's a fat one.
a lot fatter than.
Come on. You just tangled my...
Sorry.
I'll get it. Weigh it. Measure it and weigh it, whatever you're doing.
That one's worth weighing?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's one of the fatter ones for sure. How did you tangle my jig up like that?
28 and a half.
What?
28 and a half.
28 and a half.
Nice.
I don't know how you just tangled my jig up like that.
It takes practice.
What the heck? Willis? No, he threw it on the floor and tangled around my other pole. Like 17 times over. Somehow.
About 7-8.
What?
7-8.
Not even 8 pounds.
Jeez, why'd you even cast at it?
I don't know. Because I haven't seen a big one in a while.
In summary, we had a great holiday weekend on the water. We managed to find a pot of tournament grade fish, and Amber was able to get more practice on the bow. She really put on a clinic. We were also able to finally try out the new Berkley Lab Series Minnows as well, and the fish absolutely smashed them. I'm sure the fish we were on will move somewhat, but we hope they won't be too far when we come back for our tournament in a couple of weeks.